motor gasoline inventories increased by 3.5 million barrels week over week and are 3% below the 5-year average for this time of year. Distillate fuel inventories decreased by 2.6 million barrels week over week and are 14% below the 5-year average for this time of year. Propylene and propane inventories decreased by 500,000 barrels week over week and are 21% below the 5-year average for this time of year. Propane prices keep rising. See PFL's rail report for further details on that. Oil is higher in overnight trading, and WTI is poised to open at 91 cents a barrel from Friday's close. Total North American rail volumes were down 2.8% year over year through week 37, resulting in quarter-to-date volumes that are up 0.2% year over year and year-to-date volumes that are up 8.5% year over year. 5 of 11 of AR's major traffic categories posted year-over-year decreases, with the largest coming from intermodal, which was down 6.2%, and motor vehicle and parts down 32.4%. The largest increases came from coal, which was up 13.5%, and metallic ores and metals, which were up 16%. North 17 rigs week over week. The U.S. rig count was up by 9 rigs week over week and up by 260 rigs year over year. The U.S. currently has 521 active rigs. Canada's rig count was up by 8 rigs week over week and up by 9 rigs year over year, and Canada's overall rig count is 162 active rigs. Overall, year over year, we are up 351 rigs collectively. A few things we're keeping an eye on. An energy crisis is unfolding in Europe as natural gas prices are surging to record highs. On Wednesday of last week, the price for Europe's regional gas benchmark, the TTF month-ahead contract, closed at a record of $24.20 per MMBTU, according to S&P Global Platts. A colder than average winter in Europe or Asia could send power prices spiking even further and potentially prompt electricity blackouts in Europe. Please see PFL's just released rail report for further details. ConocoPhillips is betting on U.S. oil buying Shell's Permian assets for $9.5 billion. This will effectively make it the second biggest oil producer in the lower 48, now trailing only Exxon. ConocoPhillips had just recently closed on a similar $9.7 billion transaction to buy Permian assets from Concho in January. Please see PFL rail report for further details on that one. CN and CP's battle over the KCS. After Canada's national heated bidding war over the CP with the KCS failed, a major CN activist investor is calling for restructuring and resignations all the way up to the top. Please see PFL's just issued rail report for further details. The reading of PFL's rail report today is an absolute must. Not only do we go into details on items discussed in today's podcast, but summarize the latest petroleum by rail numbers, talk about refinery runs, overall petroleum import and export numbers, and dive into the latest U.S. employment situation. Folks, both David Cohen and myself are going to be in Dallas tomorrow for the SWARS conference. It is going to be an exciting conference, and we're very much looking forward to it. Please give us a call. We'd be happy to meet with you there and troubleshoot any problem or opportunity that you may have. Many of you may not know, but PFL pays cash for unwanted railcars. Call PFL today for competitive pricing while scrap prices are still high. PFL has been extremely active in car storage, return on lease strategies, subleasing, mobile repair, cleaning. Make sure to check out our just posted reports on pflpetroleum.com or call PFL to troubleshoot any question or concern that you may have. Of course, our phone number is 239-390-2885. Have a great, safe week, folks, and thank you for listening.